Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to remove background noise on KineMaster. So let's get started. So if you want to remove background noise on your KineMaster, so to do that what you have to do is first open up your KineMaster application, and after opening up your KineMaster, now you will find an option which is create now, which is on the top of your screen. So you just have to upload a video, but before uploading a video you have to select the aspect ratio. Just select it, and after selecting aspect ratio, just tap on create. After tapping on create, now what you have to do is in the left side of your screen you will find a video icon. Just tap on it, and after tapping on that, now you have to select a video that you would like to reduce the noise from. So I'll just select this video which I have. So after selecting a video, now what you have to do is just simply come back. If you can't find this option, so just simply try to come back and then you can find your video. So after finding these options, now what you can do is just scroll all the way down, and here you should find the option which is extract audio. So what you have to do is just simply tap on extract audio and then extract your audio. After extracting your audio, now what you have to do is just simply tap on EQ, and after tapping on EQ, now what you have to do is just select this option which is bass booster, and after tapping on bass booster, now what you can do is just come back, and after coming back, now you will find this option which is noise removal. So after turning it on, you might have to install an extension. So what you have to do is just simply install a 12 MB extension which is noise reduction, and after doing that it will start removing your noise. And after turning it on, you should have to complete this process and it will remove the noise and just reduce unwanted noise from your video. So that's it guys, this is how to reduce noise on KineMaster. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.